Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Temu app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on the above you can search about Temu app and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. Here you can search about Temu app and you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time.